Human beings are intelligent, but how human beings becoming intelligent? Because human beings are able to listen, they are able to speak, they are able to look, and most importantly, we are capturing data. And this captured data is being processed by our brain. But how the data is being transmitted through our brain? Through neural networks. In our body, there are 86 billions of neurons, and each and every of our neuron capture the data. For example, I saw you. Your picture is a data and it is being captured by the neuron, and that data is being transmitted to our brain. Now here the brain processes all the data and making the humans intelligent. In the same way, how artificial intelligence gets the intelligence. Artificial intelligence gets the intelligence through machine learning algorithms and deep learning algorithms. So in this video, I'm going to share you the details about machine learning algorithm and how artificial intelligence systems becoming intelligent with machine learning, and what are the different types of machine learning algorithms. So namaste friends, I am Krishnatanya Mandela. So let's talk about machine learning algorithm. So what is machine learning algorithm? The technical definition explains that the computer has the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. So what does it mean? For example, a normal computer without artificial intelligence, we need lots of coding. But with artificial intelligence, once you trained the system, it will automatically predict the output with your previous experiences. Now I just want to give you a basic example of machine learning algorithm. Here, take the machine as an example. Now you are getting data as an input. Now that data is being processed by algorithms. Just like human beings having the brain to make yourself intelligent, here in the machine learning algorithms, the algorithms making the artificial intelligence systems intelligent. Now coming to the different types of artificial intelligence, there are three types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Let's talk about supervised learning. In supervised learning, the machine learning algorithms is trained with labeled data. I want to give you a general example. See, my father usually gives me money in my childhood whenever I do massage for him. Especially if I do half an hour leg massage to him, he give 1 rupee to me. And if I do 1 hour of massage, he will give 2 rupees. So here I have labeled data, an input and an output. Here the input is how much of time I'm massaging. For example, half an hour, I'm getting the output as 1 rupee. In the same way, if I do 1 hour of massage, I will get 2 rupees. So labeled data means for every input there will be an output. So in the machine learning algorithm, the supervised learning is happened through labeled input and output. Here the data is named as training data set. The more the training data set you have, the more accurate your results will be. Now the trained data set is given to your machine learning algorithms. Now that machine algorithms will give you the predicted outputs with its previous experiences. So the real life examples of supervised learning are spam filters, image detection, and even Netflix recommendation movies. And the second type is unsupervised learning. Here the machine learning algorithms is trained with unlabeled data, which means there is only input but there is no output. So here the machine learning algorithms need large set of training data. I want to give one more general example here. My father brings sweets to home. So that's only input, but there is no output. For what reason he bought the sweets? Is it because of an occasion like my birthday or the marriage anniversary, or he got any profits in the business? So there are many outputs. Here the machine learning algorithm need to detect the output with the input itself. So for this kind of unsupervised learning, we need large data sets. And for unsupervised learning, the real life example is voice assistant. Here the voice assistant is just taking an input, but it need to predict the output by its own. And finally, we have reinforcement learning. Here the reinforcement learning works just like a human. It need to learn by its own. But how it learns? Through trial and error. For example, it take one step. If the desired output is correct, it will get a favorable output. If it is incorrect, it will be punished. And here is one more general example for reinforcement learning. You are learning a cycle. You don't know how to pedal it, and you don't know what is the output of it, because every rider having their own style of pedaling. So once you start pedaling, with stride pedaling, you may fall down, then you again stand up and you started pedaling, kneeling down. So with lot of trial and errors, you are able to learn cycling. So this is one of the best examples for reinforcement learning. But this is a general example. But in real life example, we have autonomous driving cars. In autonomous driving cars, we don't have an input and we don't have an output. The car need to learn by its own. And playing video games is one more example for reinforcement learning. And the machine learning algorithm need to learn by its own how to score big by playing differently. So these are the three types of machine learning algorithms. In the next video, we will see some interesting topics about artificial intelligence. So if you like this video, please do like and subscribe to AI English. And if you are interested to watch facts, please do subscribe to MBS Facts English.